You need some help, man. I don't care. You wanna mess up your own shit? But you're gonna mess up mine too. I need to know you got my back. Not that you're gonna come falling through the door behind me.
Don't worry, you pretty little stickhead. Office.
Anyway, that was all I wanted to say.
So tell me something good. Tell me that.
Moore taking an early lead. Radawar is second by a head and Secretary Rat trails by a half. What an amazing race, ladies and gentlemen. Out of the turn is Mighty Morris with Radawar charging up from behind. Into the second turn, Mighty Morris and Radawar fight it out while Squad Car trails the back. Now it's Radawar by a nose. Secretary Rat is second by a head with Mighty Morris back in third. But wait, Squad Car in black and white is making his move in the rear. He tries to the right, he tries to the left, but it's no good, folks. It's Rat Eat Rat out there, and they're just not going to let him through. But what's this? Squad Car coming up through the middle. Oh, he's caught in a pinch. Oh my gosh! But now he's climbing out, and he's riding on top of Cheese Whiz.
You don't have to be beautiful to turn me on.
Fuck you.
I just need your body, baby. From dusk till dawn. You don't need experience to turn me out. You just leave it all up to me.
Let's talk about eggs, baby. Let's talk about you and me.
You don't have to be rich to be my pearl. You don't have to be cool to rule my world. Ain't no particular song I'm more compatible with. I just
Don't believe it. He was moving in third. But wait a minute. He's stuck. It's the black and white. Rat Race's shortest long shot takes the roses in the upset of the week.
Ma'am, I found a place to go. It's down at the end of Lonely Street at Heartbreak Hotel. And I said, I'm feeling so lonely, baby. I'm feeling so lonely. Oh, I'm feeling so lonely.
I could die.
Don't have to be rich to be my girl.
Don't have to be cool to rule my world.
You rule my world.
The song became love. In the usual way, the moms left for the fishing season, while the dads stayed home to do egg time.
You gonna be okay, Daddy?
Oh, sure. I'll be waiting for you.
I love you more. Bye-bye now.
Goodbye, Norma Jean. Don't you worry about a thing.
Don't wanna let you go.
When all others leave, we remain. When the sun vanishes, we remain. I'm feeling so lonely. I'm feeling so lonely. Heed the wisdoms, brothers. Make a huddle. Warm thy egg. Make a huddle. Share the cold. Share the cold. Each must take his turn against the icy blast if we have to survive the endless night. Raise your voices, brothers. Give praise to the great Gwyn who put songs in our hearts and fish in our bellies.
Particular song I'm more
Okay, folks, we've got plenty more action coming up in our next heat.
Well, if you ask me,
There
I
is
think
a
the house
wisdom,
is
brothers and
rigged.
sisters,
That does it for
stands
me.
above all
I'm
others.
busted.
Never, ever, no matter what,
No harm done, see?
drop your egg.
We're cool.